I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the joystick on the Jazzy Carbon HD. Now when you order the unit, it's going to come with the front joystick mount all the way up into this plug right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and flip the arm up by pushing this button, flip it up. I find it a lot easier to work from underneath. I'm going to go ahead and change angles over there for you. But if you're interested in this part, I will have a link in the description below to where you can order a new joystick, or if you want to browse all the parts for the Carbon HD, check that link in the description as well. Now we're under the joystick. The first thing I'm going to do is disconnect right here. You have these two you're going to unscrew, and then you're going to go ahead and disconnect the joystick. That way when you take it out, it's not going to be stuck there. The second thing, we're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver and just remove these two screws underneath. There is a lock washer and then a regular washer on these screws, so when you take them out, make sure you don't lose those. But you'll take both of these screws out. Then your joystick comes out. In order to replace the new joystick, we're going to take this cable and thread it through the center right here first. Go ahead and line it up. Then we're going to grab our screws with our lock washer and our regular washer. And I'm just going to hand thread both of them just to start. Then I'll come back later with my Phillips screwdriver and then tighten both of them. There we go, both of them are on tight. And now last thing we're going to do is reconnect our joystick. It only goes a certain way. So if you look, there's a little arrow. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there's an arrow on the plastic on both sides. You're going to line that up, or line both of them up. Push them together, then you're going to thread or tighten these two screws. That'll keep it together. And then now your new joystick has been installed. This has been how to replace the joystick on the Jazzy Carbon HD. Once again, if you're looking to purchase a joystick for this chair, go ahead and check the link in the description below. I will have that linked. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We'd love to help you out. And please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.